Good morning, everybody. We're back once again. Let me turn that music down just slightly because I gotta talk a little bit. Listen, good morning, everybody. Good morning on the YouTube channels. Good morning, Legacy. We are back once again, and I'm excited today. I'm excited because we have another day, another opportunity to secure our freedom. So if you're here today, we're doing a couple things different today. Number one, go ahead, shake it off. You know what I'm saying? Shake off the little itch. You know what I'm saying? Today, we're going to be patient. Today, we're going to wait for our A++ setups because without us waiting, we can't secure our freedom. Good morning, Ramon. Good morning, Sean. Good morning, everybody else on the stream that hasn't said good morning yet. All I know is today's our day. That's what I'm sticking to. Today's our day, gentlemen. And we're going to be able to execute because we're going to be patient today. And that gets me excited, not gonna lie. Man, oh man, looking at this market from last night. I normally give the stats at 9:25, so in 4 minutes. But I will say we have this pivot point. We have this pivot point 813.50. 813.50 on the 2-minute Nasdaq future chart on trading view. That's been holding this market up. Just saying. This market likes this pivot, so we're gonna have to see what we get today. And honestly, I'm just base hitting. I gave myself a number that I'm trying to get this month in payouts, and I said it's achievable, but I gotta be patient because I don't know about some of you guys. I know about me. I sometimes, just full transparency here, I sometimes get excited to trade. And I may click the button slightly early. So I'm green though, but waiting for that A+ setup always pays the bills because that's what we're waiting for today. Hopefully you guys are ready for today's session. Hopefully you guys had a solid day yesterday. Listen, if yesterday was not a green day for you, let me tell you this. It happened. And even though it happens, today's a new opportunity, a new clean slate, new day. So don't hold on to what happened yesterday, win or lose. Can't let that be in your mind. You just gotta come each and every day to execute your plan to the perfection you can do on your plan to win. It's weird. I dropped my kids off at school this morning. My 5-year-old's in kindergarten now. It was a experience, not because he was fussy or anything like that, because he wasn't. He's been trained for this, you know what I'm saying? But because it's letting me know that now's our time to get what we want out of life, right? Because every year time's ticking. You have to make the decision to do something different to finally get the result you want.
You
Good
gotta
morning,
take the
Steve.
decision to have the vision.
Good morning, brother. How was your day yesterday?
All right, it's really good. How was yours?
No complaints. No complaints on my end. Ready for today. Get this crack a lacking. Make us some money.
Money time.
It is definitely money time of day. Good morning, Stuart.
Well, we got news throughout the day, huh?
Yeah, we got news at 10 o'clock today. That's the one for us.
Yeah, 10 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 4:30.
Yep. I only say the 10 because I'm not trading at the 1 or the 4:30.
Look, we'll talk tomorrow and see what's what.
I'll tell you, I ain't trading. No. Not happening. Today, we're just going to base hit. This week is kind of like a reset week for me. I'm working on getting multiple funded accounts this week because I'm shooting for a certain payout by the end of the month. And then next week, we're going to add 2 more accounts that we're going to start from eval, get them funded and get payouts on. And those accounts will be for the new series, walking us through the whole process of eval to funded to payouts to then taking those payouts and putting in a live funded account that we're going to flip to $1 million.
I remember.
Said it here first, folks. Said it here first.
Yep. And to be completely honest with all the people in the audience, I knew it was coming, but I'm very excited for it. I think it's going to be a wonderful series. It's practical on so many levels because if you're just trading and you're just in the trench, you might not want to go into a live account, all that stuff. But you could see it could be done. You could see that your money could keep working for you.
Yep.
In another level. So
yep,
awesome.
And it's going to be good because it'll show you guys you don't need a lot of capital to start. We're starting with $100, and we're going to flip it all the way up to $1 million. So can't beat that. Good morning, Brian. John, good money day. I would possibly. Well, I'll have to throw a poll in the chat for that one. We'll see. All right, let's see here. We have this pivot point below us, 813. 813. It's kind of been like a spot where the market's been respecting a lot throughout the overnight session as well.
Write the words. What if you
we have the VWAP on the 2-minute Nasdaq futures chart, 793.50. 793.50 there. 21 EMAs right above us, 834.50 currently. We do have a pivot up there at 907.75, 907.75 there. Then pivot all the way down there. Whenever I say that, all the way down there, somehow we go and get it. 642.50. What's up, Iz? Good morning, brother. Then the close from yesterday. The close from yesterday, 764.25. 764.25 there. We gonna see. We gonna see what we can do today. I just want to make a couple dollars, and my dollars, I go with $1,000 bills. So when I say a couple, like it could be.
That makes sense.
When I say a couple dollars, I'm talking about like 2,000, 4,000, like $4 is 4,000. You know what I'm saying?
2,000.
What's going on?
Hey, slightly on time BP. That's what he named himself today. I think you're early. I'm not used to you being early. Like, let me take a breath here. I'm ready.
That's fun. You know what's actually interesting is you have some kind of like dual thing you're doing today. I know it's by accident because I can still see your Ninja Trader in the background, but on your short stream, you can see your trading view, and on your horizontal stream, you can see your Ninja Trader.
Hell, thank you for pointing that out. There we go. I had a wrong button click. My bad, folks. My bad, family. We're good now. Steve already made 764.25. He's a printing freaking machine. I love it. Niner, good morning, brother. If I didn't already tell you good morning. Or good money day, as Sean says. Yeah, Ready. I'm ready to trade today. Had a solid workout yesterday. Felt good to get back in there. You know what I'm saying? It felt good, like moving and grooving, pushing and pulling. Because I told him, I'm like, look, bro, I got to shed. I want to shed like 13 pounds before the end of the month. Before I go to Mexico. I got 3 weeks to do so. I told him, I'm like, look, how do you feel if I cut carbs out completely for the next 3 weeks? He's like, I'm good with it. But your meal before working out, you have to eat carbs. Because like I have that fuel push. So we're going to try it out. It'll be a banana with a protein shake. We gonna get it done, boys. People are always like, oh man, work out because you want to be fit. No, I work out so I can travel and eat whatever I want. We are not the same. Good morning, Noah. What's up, brother? Or my bad, Sean. I got it. Good morning day. Money day, Noah. Good money day. Sean wants me saying that to everybody now. That morning, money day. Good money day. And that's what I'm gonna start doing on these streams as well. I'm just gonna start like throwing positive information, positive affirmations on y'all's lives because I want to see y'all win. All y'all rich, okay? All y'all wealthy. Everybody in the chat's gonna be a millionaire. I'm just naming it first. You know what I'm saying? It's up to you to do it. 8:30. There we go. Market open. Right down through that pivot. We're gonna tag that VWAP. All right. Oh, Nelly, we got 10 o'clock news today. What was that?
I was low-key thinking about pre-firing that for a short.
Well, you could have. We break through that VWAP, you can still fire. Because we'll go take out that 764.25 level.
I'll be patient.
If BP's being patient, I'm full porting. Just know that.
Oh, no.
The reason why I was thinking this is just because ES swept a bunch of these pre-market highs and then NQ didn't, just made a new lower high.
Order filled.
I'm low. I want to fire so bad right now, bro. We're going to take that 760. It's too late. We already started moving.
Dude, that's what I was thinking. I was like, it's too late. Because if I would have taken this, I would have probably got it in like the 30s.
Man, well, it is what it is. We're not doing the 1 minute orb today, folks. Don't you worry. There we go. Just tagging that close from yesterday, 764.25. Just tagged it. Oh, right through it. BP, why did you say jump in on this, bro?
Well,
like you come early, you don't tell me you jump, bro.
Well, because you don't usually trade until the first 50.
Listen, don't worry about what I do, sir.
Yeah, but ES swept these highs and then NQ just made a lower high.
Yeah, we'll probably go down there and take out yesterday's low at this point if we stay below the close from yesterday. Down there around 719.
Yeah, that's where mine's 717 for London low.
Okay. Well, I was talking about yesterday low. Did I mark my chart wrong? Hold on. Hold the freaking phone. Okay, I have the overnight low.
You could be correct, but yeah, I just kind of mark mine up based on the sessions.
Got you. I just do the overall. I don't even mark it by sessions. I do the low for the overnight, so I don't care about London or Asian, whichever's the lowest. That's where I mark it. That's all the way down there at 666. So, yeah.
The trader of
Don't be in trade at that number. Just saying.
Yo, my bad.
Here we
You're
go.
so bad.
Yikes.
You're so bad, it's a crime.
Facts. I feel like that one was just put in my lap.
Trying to get a little bit of buying pressure down here. It's interesting. It is interesting. I'm doing everything in my power not to click the button since me and BP missed a solid move already this morning. But we really didn't miss anything because there'll be another opportunity. Remember that. Yeah. When I'm speaking to y'all, I'm also speaking to myself out loud, just so you know.
Yeah,
So,
you gotta chill. It's like the first candle, and you're going crazy.
Oh, I'm not going crazy.
Oh, you're going.
I just see money. Oh my gosh.
Money.
Let's see. So far, NQ has swept all the way to these lows from like 615. ES hasn't gotten that far yet.
Let's go. We're gonna trade the recorrelation. Let's go.
Yeah, either ES is gonna catch up, and we're gonna take out that same low, or this could be where you see a little bit of buying pressure.
All right, my button's working. The button's working. I had tests. I'm sorry. Quick $200. I was just testing it, boys. Don't judge a brother. We'll rotate off that one for now.
We're family. We could judge the hell out of you. You know that. Day one.
Good morning, or a good money day, sir. Let's see. We build us a little bear flag right here. I would not be opposed to that.
I don't think you're ever in opposition to a flag, except when you make a trade and you're holding it through the structure of said flag.
Which happens quite a bit sometimes, not gonna lie. I freaking love trading, boys. I love trading because it's one of those things where it's like, what else can we do? Like, I just literally clicked a button, made $200 in less than 5 seconds. If y'all find something better, let me know. But I'm just saying, trading's the way. Good morning or good money day to all the millionaires on the call this morning with us on the streams. Make sure you're hitting that like button on the vertical and horizontal stream. We're streaming multiple formats for you guys because I understand you guys like things differently. Different strokes for different folks. You know what I'm saying? Some like vertical, some like horizontal. We do it all for you guys.
Some like to see all of Duane's screens.
Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, people got different preferences. Make sure you're hitting that like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We are trying to become the largest known trader globally. Not because of how much money I print for myself, but how much money I help you guys print. Because I want to see you guys win. You guys are all millionaires in the making. And I'm excited to see your journeys to succeed with that, becoming a full-time millionaire. I should have stayed in that trade. This thing's still coming on down here. Woo! Yeah, we're going to go down and swipe that Asian low. Or, yeah.
BP is in because he got quiet.
He did get quiet.
No, I didn't get in. I left real quick.
That's code word for he's in. He's like, I left.
No. I went to go get water.
Sure he did.
No, I didn't. I was like,
that means the holy water, which translates in Latin to the payday. he's using Catholic analogies right now. Okay, Pope, what are we doing next?
I don't know. This is not great.
Yeah, just wait, and it's only been 6 minutes. Feels like an eternity.
See, we have taken London on NQ, and we haven't taken London on ES yet. So I guess I'd be focusing on this. Let's see, what's the 2-minute equivalent? The 2-minute candle would be 934. So I guess if we start pushing above it, then it's probably going to try to reverse. But if it just stays below the high of that candle, then we're probably going to keep pushing down.
Is this going to be a retracement here? If Moose was in here, it's like, is this going to be a retracement?
Good morning.
Good morning. He comes in half asleep every day.
Well, half sleep, and then it's like a curse. So it's kind of like when you wake up like an old car, it's like she's like, good morning, as the car's going, and then he comes to life. He's like, oh damn it! And then it'll be like, okay, now he started.
Yeah. Yeah, right now. I have no itch to touch the market yet. We got news at 10 o'clock today as well. This is looking like a potential bear flag here on the 2-minute.
We did not get a candle close above.
Okay, 530 on that trade right there. Quick little hit. Just keeping it rolling, keeping the train rolling this morning, boys. All we doing, we're just chugging. We rolling, boys. That's it. Buyer's trying to step in right there after breaking through the yellow line, which who would have thought that would happen, right? You need that follow through that line if you're still trying to take a short. There's the line.
You wanted to clear that wick, right?
Yeah. Buyer stepping right in the same area, so I'll probably be holding at this point.
There's a support 3, the third support Camarilla pivot that's sitting right where that candle is breaking.
Okay. There's some bulls stepping in. That's all right. It happens.
They're just building out a flag, like Duane says.
Yeah, we're being patient, somewhat.
I don't know about you being patient, but yes, you know, at least you're identifying a flag.
At least I'm not just clicking the button, Steve. All right, I'm just not randomly clicking here. I'm like a trained assassin in the markets.
I can't see like either your foot, mouse, or your hands.
There's a reason for that.
Click, click.
Order filled.
Order filled.
We got less than 6 minutes now for the 15-minute range to be complete. I may hold off and wait. We are looking like this is looking like a textbook flag, though. A textbook flag. We got the big pull. I'll draw the whole thing, actually, which I normally don't do on these streams.
Yeah, because he's trying to keep himself out of it, ladies and gentlemen. It's a respectable thing.
You got the pull.
Yeah, you put that on the 5-minute, you put that doodle all the way down.
That I did. Just to keep myself out. What's up, Yaz? Good money day, like Sean wants people saying. What's up, Mooser?
What's going on? I was in the middle of like doing something. I came back and the freaking market took a dump. Tell me somebody jumped in.
I jumped in a couple times.
Nice.
Up so far like close to $800.
Nice. That's beautiful.
But it's your time to jump in. I'm gonna sit out. You jump in now for the both of us.
I'm like, hell no. I'm like, yeah, you're chasing. Hell no.
I would want to see us start to reject right here. If this is going to be a solid flag for us.
I gotta go to Tampa now. I can only trade for like another 10 minutes.
Hey, get it in, bro. Enjoy that drive.
How's your trailer, man?
It's good, man. I except for the one, I had an issue the other day because it was raining so hard. One of my cameras, the bracket that I built for it, right? I must have hit a tree or something, and it had play on it now, right? It was wiggling. I didn't realize it. So obviously that creates a little space between where the screw is. It's gonna create a little space. Bro, it rained so hard, water went into into the ceiling of my trailer. And then on top of that, I almost short-circuited my batteries. And if I would have lost $9,000 of batteries, listen, buddy, game over. I would have not continued the trailer. Let's spend another $9,000 on batteries.
Yeah, no, thank you.
Yeah,
but now you know what you need to protect.
Yep.
You know.
Absolutely, because it was nothing I can help, like I can avoid, but I definitely got to fix it now, which is a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
But you know, it's like anything in any other business. You know, you always have fixtures. You always got something going on on the back burner.
Yep, definitely.
Are we going to dump here? Are we going to dump?
Come on.
Being cautious right here because I'm looking for a bear flag, right? But I don't want to see a little bull flag form right here off that green candle.
That wick on that 5 minute is telling a story. Hey BP,
What's up?
did you remember to forget about that MACD thing I told you about?
Did I remember to forget about it?
Yeah. I
You
just want to
remember?
make sure you're still
That
forgetting
was
about
funny.
it.
I just caught that.
I sent you a picture, Dr. BP.
Let me take a look.
Just showing how it works in relation to the chart with that new setup. It's very reactive. It's not a standard at all.
I see.
A little higher.
$570 on that trade right there. What's up, Aquila? What's up, cuz? Hopefully you're having a fantastic Tuesday morning. Oh my, are you freaking serious?
Holy
Really? Yo, if I would have waited like 4 or 5 more seconds, doggone it,
Oh my goodness.
that would have been a solid like $1,500, $2,000 right there. Now I got 570. Be thankful. Thankful. Green is green. Green is green. We just broke out the 15-minute range as well with that one.
It did something funny because it jumped so fast, and I caught some of that. But the entry and exit arrows on the Renko bars are like in the middle of space. Like it shot down so much, like when it closed, that it was like.
Yeah. The high for today's range, 842.50, 842.50 there. The low for the range is sitting at 679.25, 679.25 there. Noah, congrats. Take your win and run, brother. Good job, bro. At least one of us caught the bigger portion of the move. Happy for you. As long as someone got it, I'm happy. I made a little base hit. We good. We Gucci. Keeping it rolling. Let's rotate to the next account.
There was an account that was red from last night, and I brought it up to 962.50 with that move.
I have no clue right now with how we just dumped, but that's a flag. That's a textbook flag right there, folks.
Yeah, but the momentum that just crashed it was kind of spooky.
Yeah, no, 100% came out of nowhere. It came out of nowhere.
Because it's great when it's going your direction, but not so great if something like that just kind of does it and it's like, whoa.
Yeah, no, 100%. 100%. We're going to wait to see what we get here. I feel like we're going to pop back into the 15-minute range real quick here. Possibly recorrelate and then continue down. I'm not sure. That momentum came out of nowhere.
Yeah.
But it is what it is. We're going to wait to see what we get. at that support line 66067 on NinjaTrader. We pushed all the way through that pivot down there as well. Okay. And that was the pivot. I'm like, we got to pivot all the way down there. That was the pivot. So whenever I feel like something's far away, we always somehow end up tagging it.
I know, like when you mention it, it's kind of like, why are you even mentioning that thing? And then it's like, then we'll pass it, and it'll be like, it's in our rearview mirror.
It's like, hello. Hopefully, all you guys on the stream are making money this morning with us printing like usual. All you guys are millionaires in the making, and each day you come back to learn how to be consistent and you're mastering your psychology, you'll get that $1 million result. Just gotta focus on becoming better each and every day. Right now we're up over a couple $1,000. We're sitting back, we're relaxed and waiting for another move here. We're not going to be pushy today. We're just taking what the market gives us. And honestly, that's the only way to be when it comes to trading. It's so easy to click the button. It's hard to freaking wait. We almost tapped the low of the 15-minute range. I want to see us jump in the low of that 15 before we continue lower. Just to give myself a little bit of confirmation. But this is trying to give us another flag right here, I feel.
ES is like on the 5-minute, it's looking like it's setting up.
Yeah. Come on, all right, there we go. Just recorrelated, just jumped into the low of the 15-minute range right there. There we go. Let's see if we reject and go lower now. Because it's this weird thing about flags. They love to repeat themselves. Wait, I think this is going to be it right here. Not liking the dance on the Rincos. Of course, right when I jump in, we start dancing a little bit.
Well, it's kind of like when you go to that one disco at X-Correct.
If the Bears don't step in quick here, I'll probably kill it. Give me my flush.
Hey, BP, did you see how that indicator was tracking the candle?
Yeah, kind of.
Just got to stop down that one. Oh, Nellies. But I'll re-enter on another account. Good morning or good money, Versace. We should come down here. That's
You gotta do a pterodactyl. Duane.
do a pterodactyl. I'm waiting for the full follow through here.
little over 6 minutes for the news. Keep that in mind. Dwayne set up that line of resistance, gentlemen. So be looking for longs.
That's crazy.
Well, I'm just being silly. That's all. I just happened to glance over it. I swear, sometimes it teases you too much.
And then as soon as I close, that's when it pushes right through.
Well, you got 33 seconds on the 5-minute candle, so.
I got out of that 110 on that trade. We're bouncing too much right now. I want to get through my bottom yellow line right there. Yep, news in 5, news in 5. Izzy, let's go, bro. Good job, fam.
That 5-minute candle just closed, and it could be making a nice
structure for a bull flag.
Yeah. No, a nice bear flag.
Oh, yeah, that's what I meant. My bad.
I took a buy. I had 600, and that shit wouldn't close out. It only closed me out at 241. It like hesitated to close me out.
Yeah, I hate when it slips like that.
What the fludge, bro?
Not the fludge.
I'm trying to control my cursing, but we all know it's not gonna happen.
Well, never say that. All right, if we keep pushing, I'm gonna take a long up to the 21 EMA, but want to see some type of a flag, something here.
Whole number.
Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl.
Are you going longs?
Yeah, I jumped in on a long, but we're not pushing the way I thought we would already.
We do. I feel like we might try, but I think we need a retest.
No, you gotta get through that whole number too.
But it also looks kind of like a bear flag on the 2-minute. Like we're moving like to the halfway point, kind of to that.
Yeah.
Now. if we come back down to like 680s, I want to see what happens like when we react.
Bulls want to push, but come on, Betsy. Good girl. That's what I'm talking about, girl.
Oh my!
That was a good
goodness.
reaction off the 80s.
I got out. We tagged that 21 EMA there. So not trying to be in it as it rejects off the 21 EMA. I'll lock that profit in. We got news. We got news in 2 seconds. 2 seconds for the news.
This 5-minute candle just closed above the 5-minute candle from 9:45. It might be trying.
Noah, yes, you could trade NQ with the 25K account from Lucid.
ES is popping. We just took the high that's up here at 755.
Yeah, we got the VWAP coming up as well. We're going to tag that VWAP 750, 750. Quick base hit right there. 160. Just rotating through, rotating through. There's the VWAP. There's the middle of the 15-minute range. We got the close from yesterday, 764.25. 764.25 there. So let's see if we push through that. If we do, I may be more inclined to look for a long at that point because we got a pivot point above us up there. So let's get through the middle of the 15-minute range so we could figure out what direction this thing wants to go. Anthony, we're printing, bro, like usual. I got stopped out on one account. It has a daily loss of 1250. I got stopped out on that one. Then all the other accounts are green. So tomato, tomato. Let's see if we build us a little bull flag right here. I'll adjust that line up just a little bit. So give it a little bit extra room to play. I'm on a trade break. Hey, bro, it happens, fam. It happens. Feel like we want to push, but we got to get through the VWAP in the middle of the 15-minute range. So we're right here at the VWAP. Come on, Betsy. Come on now.
The Dow is heading south.
Yeah, the Dow is heading south.
So what y'all think is going to happen?
I don't know.
But
Today it's been kind of inversed. Like the Dow just
Yeah.
went up and then we dumped.
so we should be going up then. If we're inverse.
Yeah, if it's kind of inverse, it'll probably keep pushing up.
We broke through my yellow line. I'm looking for follow through. Right in the middle of the 15-minute range. Do not diddle in the middle, boys. Want to see it start to push pretty aggressive.
I caught a little of that, but then when you said that don't diddle in the middle, I got out when it was green. You're in it, you monster.
I did jump in. I thought we were going to do a strong push, but I'll get ready to kill this here in a second.
I would just watch the 40s right now. If the 40s don't reject higher, then it might be trying to flip.
Guys, I'm out of here. Talk to you later.
All right, brother. Have a
Thank
good
you.
day, bro. Drive safe.
Yeah,
Good day, man.
yeah,
Thank you.
safe
Thank
journey,
you.
Moose.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, we have our own Elvis. Oh yeah, there he goes. Off. I would really like for ES to go and make another high because it's making a lower high right now while NQ is making a higher high.
The amount of lag on this was incredible.
Yeah, I closed out. We're starting to get a little selling wick.
I saw the selling wick, but it was like there was a point of entry, and I just like it gave me the teal line.
Not that line. Not that line.
I got a couple of them where it was on when I was trying to come out of a trade yesterday. I was like, "What? Don't give me the teal line when I'm like, pull me out."
For me, it's when you get the random like orange line that comes out of nowhere. It's like, what color is this? What's this?
Yeah, and it's not quite orange. It's like only a like a classy woman would know the name of it. It's like, no, that's salmon meringue.
Salmon meringue.
Sorry. That's chartreuse. I'm like, okay, I don't know what that is, but I believe you.
I'm glad I closed out because for me, it's like as soon as I saw that selling wick starting to come, I'm like, let me just close because I wanted to hold for more, but I'm like, no, I'm not even gonna risk it. Lock in the profits.
Lock it.
Niner. With what you're saying, what have you changed, right? What have you changed? Because whenever we're not getting the results we want, we change something that we were doing. So I want you to ask yourself these questions. Have you been following your strategy to the T? That's number one. If you have been following it to the T, have you been holding and waiting too long in trades? That's normally what comes back to bite all of us, is we'll be in a trade and we'll hold too long, green or red, and then we get mad when it goes red on us and we have to close out for a loss. We may build a little bull flag right here, but right now we don't really have much momentum. We have a pivot point up there. Come on, Betsy. Show us something. I'll probably just hang out at this point. I've clicked enough. I've rotated through. What's that? Like 8 accounts today. So no rush. No rush on today for myself. And yes, I'm a real trader. There you go. One account, it ran a little bit more. I have a stop loss on for 1250. Ran at 1377. Is what it is. Maybe I'll trade one more account so I could trade an even 8 today. Looking like a bull flag right here.
Looking like a bull flag.
Okay, holding and waiting. Niner, I've done it, bro. I still do it sometimes. So you're not alone, right? But your mindset needs to shift to always wanting to protect capital. Once you shift your mind to always wanting to protect capital, even if you're slightly red, you'll want to close because you want to protect capital. You know what I'm saying? Like, so shift your mindset of trying to earn as much as possible to trying to save as much as possible. That simple shit, mental shift, will help you save accounts, will help you not lose as much money because you're no longer willing to lose capital. You only want to protect. And that's where you need to get your mindset to, protecting capital, so that way you won't be in that daze. Because it's almost, I understand you'll be in a trade, it'll be red like 1,000. Well, for me, it'll be like 1,000 plus. And I'll just sit there like, oh, no, I'm waiting. It's going to come back. And then it never comes back. And then I get mad at myself if I blow an account that way. It's like, why did I just close at $1,000? Why did I close at $600? You know what I'm saying? I would have saved the entire account. So you have to understand, cutting off a hand, a toe, a finger, whatever, to save the body.
Oh my goodness.
That's trading. You gotta cut the trade, you gotta kill it, cut it off, so you can save the entire account. By doing so, everybody, it'll help you win. Remember that. Are we going to get some good moves here? I'm going to change the music.
I was hoping BP could maybe sing something for the group.
BP, do you want to sing something for the chat?
I can't sing.
Neither can I, so... Yeah, I can't rap either, but Steve always, with the rap videos. No, that's all AI, folks. That's not me in real life. Sorry, disappointed.
My favorite is a country one. I left my tractor for a...
Just waiting. I may try adding to this account if possible. If possible.
Well, it's looking pretty, like, pretty topped out over here.
Yeah, this thing's slow again. Like, I don't know why. The market's been real slow lately. Good prints today. As long as you thought it was good, we're good, fam. Like right now, we're just consolidating. From consolidation, the move happens. Remember that. Yeah, I don't like this consolidation right now.
Dwayne would like to see a flag.
Brother, it's always a good day, fam. It's always a good day. Even if we don't print, right? Because each day we're learning something. Well, there's the VWAP tap. And we pushed through the middle of the 15-minute range right there as well for a moment. If this thing rolls, I want to see us get through the 21 EMA. That's below us here. That's sitting at 752.25. We get through that EMA, I may take a short. But this could be one big bull flag on the 5-minute. I have no clue right now, folks. This is too slow for me.
Nothing's too slow for you.
Coming down to that 21 EMA. All right, there's 21 EMA. Just push through it. Back above the VWAP. Let's see here. Middle of the 15-minute range now. Bulls trying to step in. Look at that buying wick. All right, close that out. Added a little bit, couple more dollars. Just add a couple more dollars. That's it. We got these selling wicks up here, so be careful. At this point, we need to break all these selling wicks if we're going to push for the long here. Not liking the selling pressure up here right now. Tonight, we got the traders hang out 9:30 p.m. Eastern, where we're talking trading, we're talking life, and everything in between. So make sure you come hang out with us. If it's not raining, we'll be on the pool deck, fireside, like usual, just vibing up, relaxing. So definitely come back to hang out. If there's that selling pressure right through the VWAP, if we get through that 21 EMA, that's where I'd be looking for a short. We tagged it. We did not push through it. Yeah, I don't know. All right, we're through the 21 EMA.
think I'm gonna kill my short if this doesn't freaking turn around right now.
I'm right there with you, BP. It's funny that we both got in without
Yeah.
saying anything.
I just moved my stop into profit. It tagged me out. It's probably gonna flush now that I'm out. Good luck to you, Duane.
Yeah, I'm getting ready to kill this too. I'm not feeling it.
It's just choppy.
Come on, Betsy. Come on. Give me the full flush. Come on. Oh. They don't have a customer service number store. You had to put it support ticket in. And watch it now. Watch this thing flush. Now that it just took me out.
Wow. Will the flush continue though?
Just playing. Like stalling right where I want to see this thing just Flush. It's taking too long, and we're staying right around this 21 EMA and the VWAP, all that. I was hoping we would lose it with speed, but we're not. That's why I ain't trying to mess with it. How do you put in a support ticket? With Tradeify, if you're on your dashboard, the bottom right corner, the little circle icon, with you click that little icon right there, that's how you open up the support. And then you could ask a question, everything like that. You put it right there. And I should have known better. We're like right in the middle of this 15-minute range. I'm like trying to trade it. Don't diddle in the middle, boys. This consolidation should pay off eventually, but am I going to be here for it? That's the $1 million question. Because it's looking like we may be getting a little bear flag here on that 5, but we got to see some good follow through, or else that's going to rip and be a bull flag. Yeah, we're just chopping right now. Yeah, that's the $1 million question, bro. When is it going to break? Because we're just chopping, consolidating. All right, this is, if we cleared these previous candle selling wicks, this thing's about to rip like crazy. Yeah, this thing's crazy. Right in the middle of the 15-minute range, so. BP, what you thinking, bro? You're muted, just so you know. Like right there on that 5-minute too. I'm waiting. I want, because on the 5-minute, this could be one massive flag right here, right? One massive flag. But it has to break. Right now, it ain't breaking. Got you, Stuart. The credentials that they gave you aren't working, Stuart. Because they give you the credentials on Tradeify. Top right corner on your dashboard. Yeah, this thing's just be? Is it finally going to push? Selling pressure stepping in once again. Man. That's crazy. There's the middle of the range. There's the VWAP. There's the 21 EMA. Okay. Oh, big moves definitely coming, bro. I'm trying not to get like hypnotized right now. Because with us just going sideways right now, it's like it hypnotizes you to click the button. I want to see follow through right now. I need the follow through. I want to take a short so freaking bad. Right back up. There's the VWAP. There's, all right, the VWAP. Free CPI always plays with us. It better stop playing with us, bro. We trying to make some monies. Like at this point, like I'm at a standstill because it's like I want to keep trading, but we're just right here in the middle of this range. We're on the 15. That's looking like those buying wicks are crazy though. Yeah, I wouldn't even be. I mean, just had to lock this 470 in. I was up 1,000. I pretty much lost $900 on this account. I was up 1,300 or some change or something like that. Lost it in the chop. 470 green on the account. So I'm okay, cool. We're still green, but your boy wants more. Are we gonna push? Like, look at that buying pressure. Yeah, this thing's just consolidating. I gotta quit. I'm adding little bits here and there, but when the move happens, it's gonna be pretty crazy. We're literally just in the middle of this 15-minute range going sideways. Yeah, let me just close my eyes at this point. BP's all quiet right now. Oh, what did I just close? Uh-oh. I'm not trying to. Oh, I'm not trying to do that. BP, are you still here? You're quiet, bro. He's muted. He may be talking, or he's on the phone right now. So what do you guys think? We going up or down? Are we going up or down? I have no clue right now. Motion real slow right now. We're consolidating. If we clear out some of these previous candle selling wicks, I want to take a long, but never mind. Don't want to take it long with it pulling back. Yeah, don't touch this. This is ugly. Are we finally going to start water falling down here? What are we about to do? Because we're just hanging out with the VWAP 21 EMA, the middle of the range. Lots of things in this area right now. So once we lose it and get away from it, we should move pretty smooth, hopefully. Yeah, we should pop back up. Tap the 21 and VWAP again, probably. Go down, tap it again. That's all we've been doing right now. Yeah, it's just sitting here, motion. I don't want to move. But it's like on the 5 minute, right? On this 5. That's a potential. We have not built a bear flag yet. This is where patience and waiting comes into play. There's no momentum. Let me check to see when the next news, I think it was like 1 o'clock or something like that today. Yeah, 1 o'clock for the next news for the US. If it's just going to keep doing this, I may jump off because I am not trying to get chopped or anything like that here. And the more I just sit here and watch this thing go nowhere, the more I want to click. It's weird. I'm a real trader, folks. What can I say? I like clicking the button. And when it's going sideways like this, it's hard for me to not click. Make it make sense. I would like to see some type of flag with some momentum, anything right now, right? Because all this right now could be all structure for a bull flag, or markets got a memo to not do anything. One of the two. One of the two. Potential little bear flag on the 2-minute, but we gotta get some momentum. Got a buying wick there. There's that buying wick to push us back up here. Crazy. This is crazy right now. Please, gentlemen, don't be clicking buttons right now. This is not action we can trade. We're going sideways. So whenever we're going sideways, that's a no trade zone. If we're going up or we're going down, that's what we can trade. Can't trade sideways. Are we getting ready to fall here? I'll wait till this next 5-minute candle starts to print. We may start waterfalling here. Bought right back up. Yeah, this action, I'm getting ready to walk away, boys. I'm so freaking tempted to click, and the markets aren't even moving. This is crazy. I would not be looking for any longs. Yes, I said longs until we clear like minimum 77825. Versace, listen, I'd be afraid right now too, bro. These markets aren't really moving. It's just going to be one massive bull flag. I have no clue. Look at some higher time frame. That's looking ugly. There's the middle of the 15-minute range. We're right below it. All right, there we go. Above the VWAP now. I just want to start seeing some momentum stepping into the markets here. There's the close from yesterday. A niner. That's because of your psychology, bro. Your psychology. You're trading more freely on the paper because you know nothing can happen. On my flag on the 5-minute, we're slowly creeping up, but nothing. Got to break through that top yellow line for me to get excited here. With good follow through on top of that. This thing's so freaking slow. I'm adding slow, little small profits, but I'm getting ready to walk away because this thing is slow and steady, boys. Slow and steady. This is slower than the Asian session, I feel.
Yo, I'm back.
What's up, BP? Breaking through my yellow line on the 5-minute. Let's see if we get the follow through.
I was sitting on the phone talking, and geez, this thing is just nothing but chop the whole time.
Yep, you missed literally nothing.
And then as I'm coming back right now, I see how NQ dipped down really hard, and then ES didn't, and then we just rubber banded up.
Come on, Betsy.
Hopefully NQ doesn't dump. Just because. Oh, whoa. I was gonna say ES looking weak, but pushing up.
Just taking small profits because this thing's low. I feel like we are going to push because this is one big bull flag. We'll probably go all the way at least up to 813.25, but this thing's just too low for me right now.
We're making a new high.
I think I probably quit on that one. Got this thing back to $1,000. I would have lost $300 because I had like 1,300. So I'll take what I put in. That felt like that was worth though. PP, any big plans for the day?
I just have 2 appointments to go take care of.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
How's it been going?
It's been going okay. Sometimes it'd be slow and sometimes it'd be busy. Like this week is busy. Last
Have
week
you
was kind of slow.
started advertising it or not yet?
Kind of, but I haven't done it with the Facebook ads yet.
Okay. Listen, the Facebook
I know you
ads are a
said
game
that-
changer.
I know you said the Facebook ads would probably work, but I just feel like maybe it won't for like my niche. But I don't
It
know.
will work for your niche, bro. Because how big of lawnmowers and stuff are you willing to work on?
I mean, the riding ones. I'll work on commercial mowers too.
Listen, I got you. Listen, I can have you busy, BP. I can have you busy, bro. Like, it's easy with Facebook ads. It's a money glitch.
A money glitch.
Facebook ads is a money glitch.
Yeah, I was just looking at like what's the best methods for like trying to grow, and it's like if you can do organic's like the best method, but because like with advertisement, it's kind of like you pay, and the moment you stop paying, you stop having leads.
Yes and no, right? Put it this way: I look at Facebook ads, all that stuff, as like you have more control because like when you're not busy, right? Turn Facebook ads on so you can get busy.
Mm-hmm.
Then you can turn them off once you're busy, and if you're not busy, you turn them back on. You're controlling the faucet, and you get to decide: do I want to be busy, little busy, or comfortable? You know what I'm saying? You get to decide that with Facebook ads. And for what you're doing, your clientele is on Facebook.
Yeah, you're probably right.
Because you're looking for what, like I'd probably say like 40s and up, really, that you're normally helping the average.
Yeah, it's probably around that area.
Yeah.
I do help up some younger people though here and there, like if they have their own like landscaping stuff that they're doing.
Yeah. But like the average repair, I would see would be like someone 40 and up that cuts their own lawn, that may have a push mower or a riding mower, you know what I'm saying? But they're on Facebook. If you do an ad that's lawnmower repair or a small engine repair, and you say you specialize in whichever one's the fastest and best money for you. That's what you specialize in. They don't know you don't really special, but that's what you tell them you specialize. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It runs, bro.
Yeah. What I'm really trying to gain is like, I want to hit like a 1,000 clientele, so then I can just have like a few like customers like every day. And if it's like a yearly service, like those pay decent, so it's like, I really wouldn't mind. And then you know, I have like diagnostic services here and there whenever people like have like a mower that's not working in between like the yearly service, and like I offer like repairs in between the yearly services.
Okay.
But typically I typically only see my customer like maybe once a year or maybe twice a year if something happens in between the yearly service. So that's kind of why I need more customers.
I definitely get it. But the only way to get more customers, they gotta see you. They gotta see you somewhere.
Yeah,
because organic works. Word of mouth is great, but when you pair word of mouth, organic with Facebook ads, that's when it starts humming.
True. What do you think would be a decent ad budget? Just because haven't really experimented too much with ads.
What's your average job? Like how much you're charging for like your average normal job?
Well, it honestly just depends, because if it's like a small mower, then it doesn't pay a whole lot. But if it's like a riding lawnmower, then it pays a lot more.
No, I get that, but what's like the average that you're making on like one day with like, okay, 1 day, 2 jobs?
If it's 2 small jobs, maybe like somewhere between like 120 to 160. If it's 2 larger jobs, probably somewhere between like 200 to 270-ish.
Okay.
But if I get 3 appointments in a day, then you know,
it's gravy. Yeah. So I would say, since like you're low end, we'll say 2 jobs, 120. I would personally do like $20 for Facebook ads, but you do it daily, right? So start low, and then you can scale up how much you're paying for Facebook ads, because
yeah, but $20 a day, wouldn't that be like $600 a month? But
yes, but
if the exposure matches, right?
You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm saying. So like, say your low day is $120, you're putting $20 for advertising, so you're making $100. That's on your low day. But mind you, when you're doing the bigger jobs, you said 240 and up. You know what I'm saying? You only put $20 in for the day, and you made 220 profit.
True.
You know what I'm saying? So it all like will come together. The whole thing is just starting. That's really it. Because for me, I got to a point where I was paying $50 to $70 a day on advertising. But that was for the
seems like a lot.
Okay, but you gotta look at it like this. So I'm paying because I do
ROI,
everything
as long as the ROI matches, right?
Exactly. So I do everything daily, everything like that, right? And weekly, monthly. That's how I process things mentally. So for me, on an average day, for my guys cleaning roofs, pressure washing, all that stuff, we were averaging about $600 to $700 on between 2 jobs per day. So we'll say 600 a little bit. From that 600, we spent $60 for the day.
So you're typically trying to aim for like 10%, I guess, on advertisements.
You know, but it helps you scale faster.
That's true. So I guess, well, if you're 10% would be, I guess, if I'm betting on it to be low, and then it'd be like $12 a day.
But you get a couple big jobs, everything like that. And that's when it'll start flowing. Because for me,
I guess it'd be between 12 and 24. So I guess then I would put that as 20 like you said. That's good.
And then the whole goal from that $20 you spent, you want to at least make 120 for your minimum. You know what I'm saying? Like, and you'll get a lot of people when the ads start working, a lot of people sending you messages, oh, how much do you charge? And then you give them your quick little spiel. And I had my spiel already like written out, so we would just copy and paste. We would change the person's name and send it.
Yeah.
They send back the information, we do the quote, and do it that way, bro.
Yeah. That's true.
And this market is literally going nowhere right now. This is crazy.
The only thing I can see is that NQ has taken. Well, it's all correlated, it seems like so far. It just seems like this high is out of place, but this high was already taken by NQ.
Well, I'm gonna help everybody on the YouTube stream, right? I'm gonna be ending the stream, and as soon as I end the stream, be prepared for the market to do something crazy. Because the market makers, they do watch these streams, so they know what we're doing, and they try to wait until I get off so I can't take as much from the market. Tonight, we got the traders hanging out 9:30 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you come vibe up with us, fireside, talking trading, talking life, and everything in between. Nothing but love, legacy. BP, pleasure having you on the call like always, bro. Thank you for keeping me company and printing with me and helping me not full port today. I appreciate you, sir.
Hey, well, thank you for having me. And as always, I appreciate being here.
Awesome, man. Well, you enjoy the rest of your day, sir. Don't work too hard today. I'll catch y'all later.
Have a good day.
All right, boys. Deuces. Have a good one, Sean, Amon, Niner. Everybody. Stay safe in these choppy markets, boys. I'm leaving. Be blessed.